In today's video, we are doing some lovely artwork for Chinese New Year. I will show you how to write proper Chinese calligraphy on the red paper for you to decorate in your home. Then you are all ready for the Happy New Year! Hi everyone! Welcome to the video. My name is Nian. You can call me Miss Lim as well. And today I'm going to share with you something about Chinese New Year. Or you can call it Lunar New Year. And different countries have different traditional activities. I'm from Taiwan, so many traditional activities are based on Chinese culture. For example, every family will stick spring festival couplets on the wall in the morning of the Chinese New Year Eve. Normally, those couplets contain auspicious words. People believe they will bring blessing and happiness in the new year. You may also notice those words are mainly written on the red papers. This tradition was from a Chinese fairy tale from a long time ago. There's a monster called Nian, and he will come out around this time and eat people. However, people found it is afraid of the red color and the sound from the firecrackers. So people set off the firecrackers and stick the red paper to keep him away. Gradually, people believe red color brings you luck and blessing. And it also appears of most of the festivals, especially on Chinese New Year or wedding. Today I'm going to show you two Chinese characters on the red square paper. After you're done, you can stick it on the wall to decorate your house. Also welcome to share your picture to me. You can send it to my Instagram, or I don't know how to send it in YouTube, but you can send me your pictures. I would love to see it, and please do it. But firstly, we need some Chinese brushes. So as you can see, it's just like watercolor or other painting brushes. You got different size, right? Oh, not this one. Okay, you got different size. For bigger one, of course, if you want to write some characters really huge, you can have some huge one. Mostly we use this size. So how to hold the brush? For writing, we always try to keep it straight. And our finger is like this. For these three, we hold it. Mainly for these three, we hold it like this. And the other two, just leave it here to make it balance. And always keep it straight. And then write it. So you have to sit still, and then you can write really good. I learned this since I was 8 years old, like second grade in the elementary school. Every Sunday I go to the teacher's place and write it for a couple hours. I really enjoy it even until now. I really like it. I hope you will like it too. So let's start it. Some people send me the message and said he is curious about what kind of style is that. So I will show you like 3 different type of the character. The same word but with 3 different style. Before the red paper, let's do some practice first. Let's start the first caricature. This caricature means spring. In Chinese we say 春. People wish spring will coming soon and the weather will getting warmer. Everything in spring start to alive again. And I will show you how to write it step by step. For this horizontal line, for this character, we will write 3 lines first. And middle one is the shortest and the last one is the longest one. And how to write this? We press the brush and move to right side slowly. Let's do it again. Pull the top of the brush up to the left side and press it. Put it up a little bit when you moved it to the right side. And then pull up, press down and make a turn back. So your brush would move like this. Let's go for next practice. For beginning of this line, don't just press it. We make a turn at the beginning too. Let's start it. Hold your hand, go down slowly, and turn to the left side. Let's try again. And this one. Slowly press down and slowly put up to the end. For the horizontal line, when we are writing, the right side is always a bit higher than the left side. And this part of the character, it's a sun. And this is how people wrote it like thousands of years ago. And for this kind of structure, right-hand side of the line is usually thicker and longer than the left side. It's very similar like the way we wrote this one. Make a turn and the end, also turn it back. I'm going to show you again. I also told my students how to draw the Chinese festival Couplets every year before Chinese New Year. And some of them are only 3 or 4 years old. So this is how I taught them. There are 3 stairs, and you climbed up to play the slide, and then go to the left side and play the other shorter one. And after play around, you feel getting hungry. So here is a big mouth and you have a cookie inside. See, it's very easy and cute and really fun, right? Now I'm showing you the second character. The second character in English means like luck or blessing. And in Chinese, the pronunciation is fu. This part of the character means it's a table for offer sacrifices to gods and ancestors in the ceremony. I made a mistake when I record the video, so this part is not God, it's more like pray to the god. And this is the old way to write it. Now the time people write it like this way, but they are the same. And here means one. And this means a mouth, also means a person or one family. And this, it's a farmland. You can grow some watermelon here or some rice here. Maybe some carrots and some vegetables. So if your family have a farmland and have the water and the sunlight from the God, you got the blessing. This is the same like we learned from the character spring. And right side go higher. And again, make a turn and goes down, and the other turn at the end. And this one's easier. After you press your brush down, control the direction and slowly put it up. And for this one, if you press it and do not make a turn back, the end of the shape will not look good enough. So let's try again. Press down, use the top of the brush to turn it back. The brush will go like this. Let's practice 2 more. And for this part, all the lines we have learned from the last word. If we change this part to this character, and this character means bug, and this character still sounds the same like fu, but it's not means blessing, it becomes the little animal bat. Therefore, in a traditional Chinese building, or the pattern on the windows, even like the red paper for Spring Festival couplets, you can find the picture or the decoration of the bat there. Now I'm going to showing you 3 different styles of the calligraphy. First is the regular script. This is what we learned today. Second one is semi-cursive script or running script. When I wrote the Chinese calligraphy for my Instagram 2020 event, this is what I do. The last one is clerical script. This style of the calligraphy, the word will look like a flat square. Let's do it again. Now let's go for fu. Now we can write it on the red paper. This is the Spring Festival Couplets I want to share with you today. I hope you enjoy it. And don't forget to give it a try and share it to me. I also will have Chinese ink painting series after, so if you are interested, don't forget to subscribe, leave the message below, or share with your friends. I'll be appreciated. And if you want to learn something or some questions, don't hesitate to leave me the message. Thanks again for watching. Hope you enjoy it. Let's see you next time. Bye bye.